Hmm. Hmm. Hello, me. What I would like to talk to me about right now is I want to reflect on 2012. In February 2012, there was to be a concert by a group called Comfortably Numb. Okay, in the concert photo, I'm going to have to make it a little bit bigger. It says Canada's Pink Floyd Show. Okay, it says Canada's Pink Floyd Show. Now, why this is so significant to me is because I painted my house in bricks and little bricks and design bricks. Okay, last night I went to a party. It was a bar mitzvah. To start off, how the bar mitzvahs worked, it was WRD. WRD is because Warren and Russell, WR connected together to the delta angle Donovan, in which Jacob and Andrew and Corey, JAC, Jack. Jack B is the next one. At the final bar mitzvah last night, which says Jack D, it says right D Jack. Right D Jack. The right of the Jack. The jackal. The last one is Bradley. But Bradley is radiation, and it's the new world. The new radiance. Jacob is Boca Raton. The reason I say this, and again I bring it back one more time, is the theme of this bar mitzvah was bricks. The difference of this bar mitzvah, not that I went to many of these, let's say not many as being 20 or less, is that the theme to the bar mitzvah is to read the Torah. We took the Torah out of the house of Jacob near the land of Jordan and drove it to Park Avenue and Hutchison. The building number was 0066. All zeros are 6. The building was 6666. They were giving away pictures and over the head pullovers to go outside in the cold. The craziness was the Torah, read the half Torah, half of the Torah, because you read it from one half and you roll it to the other one, was brought in from the house of Jacob, and the rabbi would not take a car to get there. He was 20 kilometers or 20 he was 15 to 20 miles away. He walked all the way there with a smile. He made everybody feel like they are at home. Now, coming back from one of my thoughts, okay, from 2 years ago when 2012 was coming out, is this. Comfortably Numb does Pink Floyd. Pink Floyd is another brick on the wall. From the Corey Jacob Wainwright WRD bar mitzvahs. 13, 13, 13 for the first three, 39. 13, 13, 13 for the next three, 39, 78. The next one will create the balance of the perfection. When Bradley has his bar mitzvah in 2017-18, when the gateway comes for the last cycle, because 2018, because Jesus came here in December, so we had to add on another year. Plus, they changed the calendar by 2 years. He was born 3757. In 2017-18 is 2021. 2012 gets pushed to 2014. Why? Because 12, okay, see the board there? When 12 goes there, this becomes 14. The next number it connects to is 14 below. 5 this way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 and 12 connects together for 21. And then you have 14 that connects together with 12. 14 connects with 16 and 18. 16 is 7, 3, 5, 7. Wishes on the Moons, the Pigs Tour, because that's how we're connected to 666. This is Shom 977. Bell just picked up the last vibration. February 11th, okay, is when it happens, that's the end. If February 11th would also be November 19th. So it's November 19th or before. And look at this, $7.50 or 5 is the dollar sign, 57.5. 0, okay, in the one position, 0 in the one position, I might give it a new figure and always call it 7. Why? Because it's 1 plus in this area. This is the 0 section. It's the 1 section. This is the 10 section. This is the 100 section, but it's not. You see the dot? Promo code Montreal. For me, I'm just doing this. I'm just doing this. I'm just doing this. I'm only doing this video. This video is only getting done for another reason. It's my pattern of what I always saw. And I don't want to feel like I'm convincing anybody, because I don't want to convince you. I don't want you to make you believe I knew or I know. I just want to show you how I connect this with how I was thinking. That's all. I don't want it to go any further than that. I don't want to put myself up. I want the stories to work. I need it to work. Let's take in reality that everybody that listens to this and that participates with me, we're only making the story be greater. We're building a ball. We're blowing something up. We're putting out a fire. We're all bringing the water to that one fire. This is how it has to be. It's the only way. For one, for all, and all for one. Raphael 7286. Thank you.